Smells lemony.
It is very lemony.
Okay,
so
good.
this is a vaguely Greek Mediterranean
I can see that. You got the potatoes. You've got
chicken tray bake, lemon, and
And
olive
it looks like
oil.
you've got something. Did you marinate it? It's got a unique.
It has been marinated.
Kind of coating.
It has been marinated, and I cooked the chicken on top of the potatoes.
Okay.
And I was hoping for kind of a creamy lemon in the potato.
Okay.
Let's see if we achieve that.
The sauce looks very creamy. How hot is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Why don't I just kind of blow on it for a while, and you can tell me how you made it once you've done.
So here's what I did. Started out by making the marinade for the chicken, and so into a blender jar I put chicken stock, olive oil, oregano, thyme, mustard, the zest from 2 lemons, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe now and smash that notification bell so you find out about our new videos as soon as they come out. And then the juice from 2 lemons. And then most of the recipes called for honey and garlic, and I thought,
Hey, you got this garlic.
so we've got
Preserved
garlic,
in honey.
garlic fermented in honey, so I used that.
Okay.
Put that in the blender, liquefy it. Chicken's already in a bowl. I just used thighs and leg pieces, poured the marinade over top, and set that aside for a couple hours in the fridge. And you could do that for up to overnight, I guess. When I was ready to cook it, I just chopped up the potatoes in sort of fairly uniform sized pieces, threw them in the bottom of a glass baking dish, put the chicken on top, and then poured whatever leftover marinade there was on top of that, and stuck it in the oven. And this is what you end up with.
You've definitely got that lemony flavor to those potatoes.
Yeah,
It's really quite good.
So it's we didn't marinate the potatoes, but that has cooked right into them, and it's got kind of that chicken flavor in there, and all of the other stuff.
And it'll go really well in the chicken, and then you can complement it with whatever favorite vegetables you like.
Yeah, so peas and corn or any roasted vegetable.
Anything you like, my friends. Anything you like.
Oddly enough, I always associate these two things with rice, because the sauce soaks up the rice. And I know having rice and potatoes is probably a little bit of overkill, but the rice soaks up that lemony sauce. So, I mean, and it's really simple. Actual time to make this was quite low, but I'm hungry, so let's get this on the table.